Stop pulling your hair out trying to play Windows-only games on your Mac. I'm about to show you the simplest way to get Proton working. First, open the Steam app on your Mac. Then, navigate to the Steam menu in the top left corner of your screen and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select the Compatibility tab. This is where the magic happens. Make sure to check the box that says Run Other Titles with. This enables Steam Play, which uses Proton to run Windows games on other operating systems, like macOS. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Proton Experimental for the best compatibility with the latest games, though other Proton versions might work for older titles. Now, find a Windows-only game in your Steam library. If it wasn't previously available for install, you should now see the Install button. Click Install and let Steam download the game. Steam will handle the Proton conversion in the background. No extra steps needed on your end. Once the download is complete, you can launch the game just like any other Mac game. Enjoy playing your favorite Windows games, now on your Mac.